How to change birthday on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to change birthday on Roblox Mobile. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up or log in into your Roblox account. So after you logged into your Roblox account, this is basically how it's gonna look like. So then to make changes with your date of birth or your birth date, click on the three dot icon located right in the bottom, and this is going to take you to the more page. So over here, scroll down a bit and click on settings. So under settings, there are multiple options. So from the list, click on account info. So as soon as you click on account info, this is going to take you to the account information page or my settings. Over here, to make changes with your date of birth, head over to the section of personal, and under it there is your date of birth. So to make changes with your date of birth, just by making changes, in order to confirm your identity, you'll need to type in the password associated to your Roblox account. After done verifying your identity, now you'll be able to make changes. So if you're sure about making changes, scroll down a bit and click on the save button right up at the bottom. So as you can see that the birth date has been changed, and this is how you can make changes with your date of birth. However, if you are below 13 or by mistakenly if you have entered your age below 13, then you'll need to contact the customer support team. For that, you need to open up a Roblox from your web browser. So open up a web browser and then on the search box type in roblox.com, and this is going to take you to the web page of Roblox. So right over here, you'll need to log in into your account, and after that you'll need to contact the support team stating about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So in this way you can make changes with a date of birth on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.